top story on the BenQ V6000 and V7050i 120-inch ultra short throw projectors. Like I said, keep them just a few centimeters away from the wall. Get a literal home theater out there. But for this, we did a very special thing. I moved out from here to a specially created lounge. Let's go.
We all miss watching movies in a cinema hall. That large screen experience, the immersive audio, that melted butter popcorn. Well, other than the popcorn, BenQ seems to have the solution for everything else. We all want to replicate the cinema experience and most buy a really big TV to try and do that. A 75-inch or bigger TV is insanely expensive and also quite a task to set up. So what's the solution? BenQ's V6000 and V7050i ultra short throw projectors are the next big thing, literally. Images at a staggering 120 inches with the best and most accurate colors and great dynamic range. More importantly, the setup is done within minutes. No wall mounting, no distance between the screen, no projector across the room, no sound system to be hooked up, no wiring across the floors and the roof, no add-on devices, no darkroom required. All of it happens with one very minimal little box and you're on. Let's start with the V6000. It's an ultra short throw projector, meaning it can throw up the 120-inch image onto a surface while being mere centimeters away from it. And boy, does it know how to throw an image. The laser source of the projector is extremely bright at 3000 lumens and the 4K image it produces is testament to it. It is bright enough that you don't need to turn down the lights or draw a curtain even if sunlight is coming into the room. The contrast dynamic range is good and the colors of the image are incredibly accurate and bright. There is a great degree of detail in the highlights due to the great dynamic range. It is good enough to get the projector an HDR10 certification. The projection is geometrically uniform and the motorized focus of the projector is extremely accurate. The MEMC motion smoothing tech inside the projector works really well. Watching sports or playing games is incredibly smooth and is a completely jitter-free experience. The projector is capable of a 4K output at 60 frames per second in HDR with the two HDMI 2.0 ports behind it. Even though there is no smart platform like Android TV on board, BenQ is kind enough to include an Apple TV with the projector for free. Providing the audio are two built-in 10-watt high-quality speakers and they do a great job. The dialogue and vocals are loud, crisp and clear. It lacks a certain degree of low end due to the lack of a subwoofer, but these speakers are capable of setting a very wide soundstage that can spread across the room to make the sound effects and background sound design more immersive and lively. Design-wise, the V6000 in its white color fits well into a living room. The top has a brushed metal look with air vents on the side and a fabric grille on the front to cover the speakers. When the projector is switched on, the motorized sunroof cover slides back to reveal the lamp of the projector. It's all very elegant and sophisticated. It looks like a high-end audio device sitting on a console. The included remote is substantially sized with prominent and well-placed buttons. The projector also includes pull-out rulers to help with the placement and the alignment of the projector. Now onto the master big brother, the BenQ V7050i, which elevates the whole movie watching game to a completely new level. The big step above is the filmmaker mode. The filmmaker mode further enhances the colors of the image, making them even more accurate and true to life. It is truly geared towards the people who are passionate about movies because it renders movies in exactly the same way that the filmmaker intended. The V7050i also comes with Android TV on board. Both the V6000 and V7050i projectors from BenQ are great with audio and amazing with their visuals. While the V6000 is meant to settle into the family living room, the V7050i is meant for the keen eye of the movie buff. Both these projectors can comfortably replace a massive TV while giving you a bigger display and better audio and zero hassles. These projectors are literally plug and play, and since both of them come with a lamp that has a 20,000 hour lifespan, they will last many years. The BenQ V6000 comes at a price of 4,99,000 rupees with a 100 or 120-inch ALR screen and an Apple TV bundled in. And the V7050i comes at a price of 5,49,000 rupees with a 120-inch ALR screen bundled in. This is where the big TV versus projector debate becomes even more interesting, and BenQ seems to have started it off with a big bang.
And we are back, and I'm going to speak with Mr. Rajiv Singh, Managing Director, BenQ India. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. We've just finished reviewing BenQ's ultra short throw projectors, and like I said, we're very impressed. Can you tell me the need for two models though, and the main difference between the two? Is it a different market?
V6000 is specifically designed for those looking to upgrade their TV and traditional projectors to a large screen, like 100+ inch screen size, to watch movies and shows in the bright living room conditions. And combined with a short throw projection and the premium design, this will be a welcome addition to your television cabinet in the living room. Then we have V7050i, which is first of all comes with an inbuilt Android TV, and this projector comes with a special mode, what we call is a director's mode. So this mode allows you to watch the movie content the way the director intended for you to watch. So this is really the best thing that you can have for enjoying the high quality movies.
Okay, very interesting. Now, Rajiv, ultra short throw projectors seem to be the next big thing. Do you think that this category of projectors will eventually become the dominant one?
Ultra short throw projector has gone through a lot of advancement in technology to come to this stage where we really believe that now it can start replacing television at home. Now we can use a projector in the living room without the need of doing anything additional, and it's very simple to install and does not need any additional civil work or any other kind of a wiring. You have all the apps installed on the projector. You can watch it the way you watch your smart TV, and there is no need of dimming the light also. So we really believe that this is the thing which will really increase penetration of projectors at home, and it will really change the game over next few years.
Okay. Now, Rajiv, why did you take the decision to give the ALR screen installed and the whole system ready as a part of the package? Other companies aren't doing that.
So we wanted to give the customer a holistic experience for a complete peace of mind, and we also don't want the customer to compromise on their experience for the best picture quality that you can get from a laser TV from BenQ's ALR screen. Hence, we have decided to offer the screen as a combination along with the laser TV projector.
And Rajiv, going back to that eternal debate, do you think ultra short throw projector technology is finally at a place where it can become a replacement of the big TVs, or do you think there's still some time left for that to happen?
So in my opinion, I think now the ultra short throw projector technology has reached a position where it will really start replacing the large screen TVs at home. However, for this to come into the full effect, a few more things have to happen. First of all, there has to be a big enough range for the laser TV projectors for the customers to replace the large screen TVs. And that's one of the reasons why we started not with one, but two models to start with itself. And we have a plan to launch many more models over the next 6 months in this particular series. By offering the choices of different feature set and the price point only, we can really hope to convert the customer, move away from a large screen TV to a laser TV.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Always a pleasure having you on the show.